Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its rumored-rounded design, wider screen, and quad-camera setup, this smartphone is set to revolutionize the industry. Let's dive in and uncover the details. Design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces a refined, rounded design that contrasts with its predecessor's more angular form. This design shift aims to enhance both aesthetics and ergonomics. The device's narrower body makes it more manageable for one-handed use, while the wider screen promises an immersive viewing experience. However, this change in design raises questions about durability and functionality. The rounded edges could improve grip and comfort, but they might also impact the phone's resilience to drops and scratches. Additionally, the wider screen, though beneficial for media consumption and multitasking, could lead to challenges in maintaining the device's overall structural integrity. Balancing sleekness with robustness will be crucial in ensuring that the S25 Ultra not only looks stylish, but also stands up to everyday wear and tear. Display. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating buzz with its rumored display enhancements. Expected to be wider and more immersive than its predecessors, the S25 Ultra promises an enhanced experience for gaming, streaming, and general use. The increased width aims to provide a more cinematic view, drawing users deeper into content. However, the real excitement hinges on its resolution and refresh rate. High resolution will ensure that images and videos are crisp and clear, offering vivid details and sharp text. Meanwhile, an improved refresh rate will contribute to smoother scrolling and more fluid animations, which are crucial for both gaming and everyday use. If these upgrades meet the expectations set by the rumors, the S25 Ultra's display could indeed set a new standard in mobile screens, blending size, clarity, and performance seamlessly. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system is a significant leap forward in smartphone photography. Its quad-camera setup includes a 200MP main sensor, which offers exceptional detail and clarity for your photos. The 50MP telephoto sensor provides impressive zoom capabilities, allowing you to capture distant subjects with high precision. The 50MP ultra-wide sensor expands your field of view, making it perfect for landscapes and group shots. The 12MP front-facing camera ensures sharp and vibrant selfies. Beyond the impressive hardware, the S25 Ultra excels in low-light conditions. Its advanced software algorithms enhance image quality by reducing noise and improving brightness. Features like night mode and enhanced image stabilization ensure clear, vibrant photos even in challenging lighting. The camera system also benefits from real-time AI enhancements, which optimize settings for each shot, providing a seamless photography experience. With this setup, the S25 Ultra delivers versatility and high performance, ensuring you capture every moment with exceptional quality. Battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes equipped with a substantial 5,000 mAh battery designed to keep you powered throughout the day. This sizable battery capacity is complemented by 45W fast charging support, allowing for quick recharges. In practical terms, this means that even with heavy use such as streaming, gaming, or multitasking, the S25 Ultra should easily last a full day on a single charge. When it comes to charging speed, the 45W capability ensures that your device can regain a significant amount of battery life in a short period. For instance, you can expect to reach around 50% charge in just about 20 minutes. This rapid charging feature is particularly useful for users who need to top up their battery quickly during short breaks. Overall, the S25 Ultra's battery and charging capabilities are designed to support demanding daily usage while minimizing downtime, making it a practical choice for those who rely on their phone throughout the day. Processor and performance. The S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. But what about benchmark scores and real-world performance? Other features. And that's not all. The S25 Ultra also features an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it the ultimate smartphone. But what about software updates and security patches? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse of a smartphone. With its sleek design, wider screen, quad-camera setup, and lightning-fast performance, it's a must-have for any tech enthusiast. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more news and updates, and if you have any questions or comments.